Hey, any day hiking's a good day. Well, I'm just kind of a dummy. Came up here to record this Buckhorn Trail. I haven't been on it in forever. And what did I do? I forgot water and I forgot my hiking shoes. Thankfully, I had my old pair of hiking shoes and I had, a hot bottle of water sitting in there. But yeah, so here we are, getting ready to head out on this trail. It's pretty lonely, not too many people out here, but there's a few. I heard people on the trail and I saw some people, and there's some in the parking lot. But anyway, here we go. We're heading down, checking it out. Pretty nice view as you come around the corner on these trails. Probably can't. So it is October 3rd, and I'm here in the Angeles National Forest on the Buckhorn Trail. And look at this, water. Always water running here. One time I came by here and saw a really cool king snake cruising under here getting a bath. I'm sure he's getting a drink, but looked like he was getting a bath. Tree's not dead. It's all burnt up at the bottom, but not dead. Guess this water keeping it alive. I know I've showed you this trick before, but I got a acorn cap. They're all falling off the trees right now. I'll make a nice whistle out of this. Just gotta hold your hands like that. Here we are coming up to the big bend. This is always the marker I know, taking me down to the water. But I hope you can hear that. So that's the stream there that takes you to Cooper Canyon Falls. That water becomes a waterfall. And it's nice, come around this corner. This is where we're gonna cross this for the first time. All right, there's the trail crossing. It's really cool to go up that draw, up the creek there, bouldering, playing around. Me and the kids used to do that all the time. Just want to show you, this is the top of Cooper Canyon Falls. Right over there. Sometimes the water's raging down here so fast, you couldn't be anywhere near this. But it's pretty cool. We'll go down there and check it out. That's where everybody stops for lunch. That's down there at the bottom. That's the falls, and there's a nice little pool to hang out in. But how beautiful is this? Right here in our backyard, Los Angeles. Don't tell anybody. I like keeping this a secret. There's a rope that some kind soul left here for people to get down with, so they can get a better view of this gorgeous waterfall, Cooper Canyon Falls. Hanging out, it's a nice spot to get your feet wet or more, and nice spot to sit on those rocks and have some little lunch, a little snack. And here's what it looks like down from the bottom. Gorgeous. I'm the only one here right now, so it's very peaceful. That's the hill. It just came down with the rope. You can go down the creek a long ways there, keep bouldering. Go up the other side a ways too. So this is definitely my favorite place to come relax, enjoy this gorgeous waterfall, Cooper Canyon Falls. Just epic. You really need to wash away all the city chaos and stress. It's a good place to do it. And I'm here on a weekday, which I know is a luxury, but boy, if you can do it, take the day off. It's good for your mental health. Just make a video, play it when you need to just have a little zen moment back in city life. Oh, this happened. I was getting too greedy, wanted to get the perfect shot, of the falls with my drone, and somehow hit a limb. Then it nosedived into the water down there. And then it jumped up immediately, and then over here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there it is. The light blinking. Yeah. So I'm only slightly risking my life to get my drone. It's only a little sketchy coming down here. It's not that big a deal. All right, I retrieved it. Sure glad I It's funny, I walked this trail, and getting back from Machu Picchu, was kind of thinking, I don't know, am I wiped out? Is that it? It's almost bad to reach a goal, because then you're like, okay, what's next? So I don't know. What do you think I should do next? Kilimanjaro? I don't know. This one today was enough for me. All downhill there, all uphill on the way back. So yeah, good day though. Beautiful. Not as hot as it is in Los Angeles up here in the Angeles Crest Mountains forest. So all right, made it back to the car, the top of the Buckhorn Trail, the trailhead for the Buckhorn Trail. And you can see I got a little sweat equity going here from the straps from the backpack. Well earned. It's not that hot today, but it's warm. It's 103 down in the basin, LA basin. Up here it's gorgeous. I don't know what the temps are, but it's probably in the 80s. And there's a nice little breeze blowing. But look at how blue the sky is with the beautiful white puffy clouds. And it's just beautiful here. Come up to the Buckhorn Trail, go down to Cooper Canyon Falls. You come to the Buckhorn Campground on the Angeles Crest Highway, and it's an awesome experience. Come with a friend, come with a family, do it solo. It's all good. All right, till next time.